मेरो आँखामा नेपाल. Through my eyes, Nepal is the game of perspectives. You will find what you are looking for. Are you looking for a natural beauty? Definitely, Nepal will present you the amazing, elegant landscapes. High mountains playing with the clouds and touching the skies. The river flows, touching the lives of the people in with pace up slow through the historical glows. The tripping forest with the enriched greens with the shrines. Or are you looking for an art that run through the veins of the Nepalese people, whether through a various means like music, craft works, and other artistic activities? Or are you looking for a history of brave Gorkhas who are renowned in the world by their bravery, historical celebrations, historical practices, and the historical monuments, or the architectures found in the every geographical parts of the country? Or are you looking for an adventure where every moment, every steps on the roads, and every destination has its own adventurous journey? Or are you looking for a harmony or seeking peace? The peace what your inner soul is seeking for. A harmony connected through the every people. O Lord, it's the native land of Lord Buddha, which is known as the light of Asia and renowned as the Lord of Peace. Or do you want to know about the people of Nepal? You can feel kindness situated in the smile of people, hospitality in the individual's home, hustle runs in the veins, empathy lies in the mind, happiness lies around the soul, and love for mankind lies in the heart. Shift in the generations carrying their own rituals and values. Feel each and every aspects of Nepal. I hope you will get what you are looking for. These are the things I saw from my eyes, which are not enough for what Nepal has offered us. Come and visit Nepal and feel the difference. Thank you.